Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-simplify ng radicals. Dito hahanapin mo yung largest perfect square factor. Sa example natin, madali lang ito kasi maliit lang yung number. Pero paano kung malaking number na yung given? Ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang pinakamadaling paraan para gawin ito. Gagamit tayo ng prime factorization. So sa prime factorization, kukunin natin ang factors ng 45. Factors ng 45 ay 5 and 9. And factors ng 9 is 3 and 3. Kung i-factor natin ng 45, meron tayong 3 times 3 times 5. Now, 3 times 3 is actually equal to 3 squared times 5. And then, kapag in-extract natin yung square root ng 3 squared, that will give us 3. Yung naiwan, since hindi natin ma-extract yung square root ng 5, iwan na lang natin siya sa loob ng radical sign. So, ang sagot sa square root of 45 is 3 square root of 5. Hanapin natin ang square root ng 500. Okay. So, kunin natin ang factors ng 500. That is 5 and 100. Okay. 100 is 10 times 10. Okay. And then, 10 is 5 and 2. 10 is 5 and 2. Since hinahanap natin yung square root ng number, hahanap tayo ng pair ng the same number. So, kunin natin yung 5 and 5, that's one pair. And then 2 and 2, another pair. So, getting the factors of 500 gives us 5 squared multiplied by 2 squared times 5. Next, extract natin yung root ng 5 squared. We have square root of 5 squared is 5. Sa 2 squared then is 2. And then, since yung 5 cannot be extracted, iwan na lang natin siya sa loob ng radical sign. So, 5 times 2 gives us 10 square root of 5. So, yun yung sagot sa square root of 500. Next, hanapin natin yung cube root ng 192. Same procedure. Hanapin natin yung prime factors ng 192. Okay. Since this is an even number, so divisible siya by 2. So divide natin siya by 2. So 192 divided by 2 is 96. I-divide din natin to by 2. Gives us 48. Divide pa rin natin to by 2, gives us 24. Divide by 2 gives us 12. Divide this by 2 gives us 2 and 6. And then divide this by 2 will give us 2 and 3. Okay, since we are looking for the cube root of a number, hahanap tayo ng 3 of the same number. A group of 3 of the same number. So that is ito. And then this 2, and don't forget that one. So, ang factors ng cube root ng 192 ay 2 cube times 2 cube times 3. Okay, extracting the cube root of 2 cube will give us 2. Ganun din dito. And since 3 cannot be extracted, iiwan na lang natin siya sa loob ng radical sign. So 2 times 2 gives us 4 cube root of 3. We need to simplify the fourth root of 405. So, kunin natin yung prime factors ng 405. Since this is divisible by 5, so divide natin siya by 5. So, this will give us 81. And then 81, if you get the factors of 81, that's 9 and 9. And then 9, have 3 and 3. Ganun din dito sa kabila, 3 and 3. Now, since hinahanap natin yung fourth root ng number na to, hahanap tayo ng 4 of the same number. So, a group of 4 of the same number. So, that is this one. Pero wag natin kalilimutan yan. Okay, so ang factors ng 405 will be 3 to the 4th power times 5. And since we're extracting the fourth root of 3 to the 4th, that will give us 3. And since yung 5, di natin ma-extract yung fourth root, iwan na lang natin sa loob ng radical sign. So, ang sagot doon will be 3 and the fourth root of 5. I hope you were able to better understand how to simplify radicals. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.